Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo A78 5G smartphone. In this video you will learn how to deactivate double tap to lock screen in your phone Oppo A78 5G. If you double tap on empty space in home screen is locked. Okay, if you have already activated this feature, now if you would like to deactivate this double tap to turn off double tap to lock screen, yes, you can now do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to home screen and lock screen, and here select double tap to lock. Just already it is turned on. If you would like to deactivate it, just to turn off this button, make sure that you turn off this button so that now if you double tap on home screen in empty space, it will not lock your screen. Okay, see here, I am double tapping on blank area in the home screen and it is not locked because it is deactivated. So in this way you can easily deactivate double tap to lock screen in your phone Oppo A78 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.